Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Today we're going to talk about two things. One is Litecoin to $100, which is more like near term, and then the next one is Bitcoin to 150,000 by 2023. So Litecoin to $100 is a very near term thing. There was a resistance. Note I said was. There's no more resistance anymore. There was a barrier between $70 and $75. And of course, we've pushed past that at $80 today, and there might be a big push towards $100, and that'll be a retest. I believe there is a strong resistance at $100 because that's a big psychological barrier. Litecoin has not been this high since August of 2018, way before the hash war. So I think there are no further resistances on the way to $100. So if you're looking at buying and trading Litecoin, you might want to set your sell just below $100 for the short term. It depends how Bitcoin goes, but whatever Bitcoin does, Litecoin seems to gain more than Bitcoin. I think I've been looking for Litecoin news and I really can't find any besides the halving. The halving is coming up in 4 months, and I think people are anticipating that, and they're pumping up Litecoin price, so Litecoin could slowly pump until August. So it is very, very possible that Litecoin, based on that, could pump above $100 soon, especially if Bitcoin breaks the 5,000 mark. And I think there's a lot more gains in Litecoin than Bitcoin in the coming short term. It has been one of the most dominant coins, and it has been basically producing like the most gains, some of the most gains out of any coin. Besides Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin SV, it's actually pretty equal to Bitcoin SV right now. But besides Bitcoin Cash, it actually has had the most gains in the top 10. And I can see it trending that way because of the halving effect that will be coming soon in August. And I think people are looking at the reduced rewards, looking at the reduced scarcity of coins, and they're slowly pumping it, and there's pumping it more than Bitcoin on every bull run. So Litecoin actually might be a pretty good buy right now. So that's the analysis on Litecoin. If you look at Bitcoin right now from this technical analyst, he's projecting 150K by 2023, which is not out of the question. 2023 is still 4 years away, and you could see Bitcoin go to 150K, and he's doing this by kind of like a parabolic trajectory of the highest highs. You're looking at 2011 being $31, 2014 being 1,177, 2017 being 19,764, and 2023 being 150,000 projected. That is possible. I'm looking more at like maybe like an $80,000 mark around then, but it could easily break 100,000 by 2023. That is not out of the question. I think Bitcoin can reach 150,000, but we're looking at at 2023. We're looking at maybe like a $12 trillion cryptocurrency industry, which is possible because the stock market I think is worth like 80 trillion. So I don't think it's impossible for cryptocurrency by 2023 to reach a part of that. So according to this parabolic trajectory, each peak is actually takes more time than the last, and the percentage gains from peak to peak are becoming less and less as it becomes parabolic out. And this graph actually looks a lot more reasonable than most of them. You know, the Bitcoin to 1 million by 2020, that's probably not going to happen. But 150,000 by 2023 is definitely possible. And just the trajectory peak, about 2,051 days from the last peak to the next peak, that would actually put it at 2023 and about $150,000. Now, if Bitcoin were to reach 150,000, XRP could reach like $50 or so. Based on the going by the trajectories, XRP would appreciate a little bit faster than Bitcoin. And the last peak was $3.80. Last peak of Bitcoin was 19,764. So it's a little less than 10 times for Bitcoin. I'm going to go a little more than 10 times for XRP. So XRP could actually reach about $50 if Bitcoin reached that high. And that is still kind of like XRP tethered to the rest of the market, but I believe at $50, you could actually fulfill like all the money transfer purposes, even for Forex if that came in. And that would actually put it in line with the rest of the market. Obviously, you know, this is a parabolic trajectory, and for most large cap coins, I would actually see a parabolic trajectory. in both in the long term, because you can't keep going on a straight line forever. The world economy doesn't work that way. You're not going to get, $1 quadrillion in world net worth from 241 trillion in just a few years. And I think the parabolic trajectory, if you look at it for both XRP and Bitcoin, will actually be more suited for what it is in the future. So 2023, you might get $40, $50 for XRP, you might get $150,000 for Bitcoin. And I really think that's basically what you're going to be looking at in an optimistic scenario in 4 years. All right, that is the report for today. Check out the free XRP freebie. Check out my Twitter. It's in my description. And also like and retweet and share this on social media if you like my content. Thank you and have a nice day.